Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to enable Windows Media Player visualization. Firstly, press Windows key, then type Windows Media Player. Open the desktop app. Now, visualization only works while music is playing. Open any song from your library, then drag or drop an MP3 file into the WMP. Now right-click anywhere inside Windows Media Player and click Switch to No Play. This puts WMP into its playback screen where visualization works. Now right-click on the No Playing screen and hover over to Visualization. Choose a visualization category such as bars and waves, battery, alchemy. Then click specific visualization to activate it. The animation will now move with the music. Right-click on it, then select Settings if available. Adjust colors, animation speed and brightness or style. Now tap the navigation pane in the menu or the left side of the WMP library. Switch to Library View and right-click Album in the left pane, then click Customize Navigation pane. A customization window will open. From here you can add tags, date taken, rating, remove categories you never use, or even customize music, videos and pictures sections. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.